And for our product images, we'll look at the AliExpress ones. These were all right, but I think we can do something just a little bit better. But also, we had the competitor from AutoDS as well running TikTok Shop, and their photos, like, they were only all right as well. They weren't really that good. So, to save time on today's video, I've already prepared the AI images for today, and I'm just gonna take you behind the scenes and show you how I prepared these. These look infinitely better than the existing competitor who was absolutely scaling and the AliExpress images as well. So, let me take you to the ChatGPT prompt. I started off, I uploaded a photo of my product, and you can copy this prompt right here. Basically, it says, make me a showcase image. That's the first main photo. Put the product on a platform, have the background be customize this accordingly. So I said icy themed. In your case, it'll be different. Include small, subtle design elements softly overlaid in the background, potentially icons, abstract shapes, etc. And my file here was in .avif. I don't know what the F that is, but it didn't import. And it made me this, sometimes it pisses you off, man. And that's why I didn't show me crafting the ChatGPT prompts. This video would be an extra 45 minutes of me just yelling at ChatGPT. So eventually I re-upload my photo. It gives us this image. It wasn't the right aspect ratio. It should be a square. This is a rectangle, but that was okay for now. So then we do the next one. So again, I had the same issue with an AVIF. I upload a new photo, gives us that one. I do the third image. ChatGPT pisses me off sometimes, man. And Google Gemini, GPT, like every month one's better than the other. So sometimes Nano Banana is kicking ass. Other times ChatGPT is good. Eventually we got this image which was good. So now we start trying to rego, but I upload this image and it gives me this, which is all right, but the design still kind of sucks. But more importantly, it's the wrong aspect ratio. So I was like yelling at ChatGPT. Eventually, it gave me the right image, which looks good. But sometimes, like, you just got to go back and forth. And, like, look, guys, I was getting pissed at ChatGPT. That's why I did this the other day. Man, if that was in the video, you guys would be like, man, like, I was raging. I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to leave this in the video. You guys can see how I communicate with ChatGPT. But eventually, we picked it up a little bit, and we got some better images. And you can feel free to pause and read these prompts. I'm a little embarrassed at some of them. They're a little cringe, but end of the day, that's what we had to do to get our product images here. So I started getting some images with people holding it. Just pause the video, read some of the prompts. And I wasn't typing this. What I do is I click this microphone icon and I just speak. And when you're frustrated, hey, listen, sometimes you're a little harsh. If there's an AI invasion, ChatGPT may try to nuke me because I was kind of a douchebag. But end of the day, it made me some good images and we made it work. So those are how I got the images. But next, we need to cover product pricing. Before I get to that though, let's update our variant images. So if we just click on black here, we can update the main photo for black. So we'll click this one. For dark gray then, it's the same thing. So we're gonna update our variant images. And now that those are updated, I also want to update the search engine listing on the bottom. So click edit, and we're just going to replace the URL handle with our product name, and we'll click on save.